look around. Even right now it's little rain, but you can find the beauty in anything. Look at all these amazing colors. People just going for fishing. It's Sunday morning and it's so peaceful here. I start trying to do painting, and I don't know, just right now I'm so inspired to do something, like to paint autumn, all these beautiful colors that are so peaceful. If you enjoy this too, please like the video. Thank you. Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia, and today I want to post this video just to share a little beauty with you. It's amazing how nature change, and I really enjoy autumn here. You know, you're going to the park and you're just taking a slow walk and you see all these beautiful colors and you start to think about different things. You know, we are all getting too swamped with things that need to be done, bills that need to be paid, but let's stop and look in the nature and think about life and enjoy the moment. Hope you like it and have a great weekend. Thank you guys. Just stop and look around you. Listen to the birds. Enjoy the beauty of the world. Enjoy this rainy day and these beautiful colors of October. It's so peaceful and quiet here. I hope you're finding a time just to enjoy yourself. Look at the trees. Stop this crazy world from stressing you. Look up, look at the sky. Peace. Just walking in the woods can make your day. It really relaxes me, even if I don't want to go. I'm pushing myself, you know, and I feel much better after a walk, even it's taking about 45 to 1 hour. And I believe that walking, it's also good for your health, for losing weight and enjoying this beautiful nature. All these leaves that are falling. Isn't it beautiful?